In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can share a QR code of your profile on Telegram. It's very simple. You can be doing this on WhatsApp, you can be doing this on Snapchat. So in my next video, I'll be doing all that. For this video, I'll be focusing on Telegram. So to do this on Telegram, you just need to tap on this side and you move to your settings. We get it? So let's move to our settings here. So it's very much simple on Telegram. You can see here, let me move this recording sign down and you can see QR code there. So you tap on that to generate it. Good to go. So now you can choose any of them. You can choose any of them. You get it? You can choose any of them. So let me choose the default one, and this is my profile and this is my username. So now I just need to tap on the share code and I'm good to go. I can share it to everybody. I can even share it on WhatsApp. I can take a screenshot of it and then even print it out. If I have a business, I can paste it there for people to be sending files to me, and then I download it or I work on them for them. So that's it on how you can share a QR code of your profile on Telegram. Just like I said, my next video will be on Snapchat and then WhatsApp. If you're new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.